Hello everyone. Today we will begin drawing the national flag of India. So to start this, first we need to roughly draw a rectangle just to mark the basic position. Draw this rectangle very lightly. It is only a guideline which we will be erasing later on. I have drawn this a bit slanting because I want to show that the flag is flying. Once this is done, what we should do is we mark the two lines approximately equidistant from each other. So one here, leaving an equal amount of space, one over here as well, and this third part will also be of the equal size. So we have three equal parts, so you can measure this and then do it. So once we have got such a rectangle, now what we should do is to make it look like it's actually moving in the wind, just draw a curved line like this, little up, then go down and go up once again. Now keeping this same shape in mind, the exact same thing for this line also, the same amount up, at the same place we go down again, and once again at the same place we start going up once again, and it should be almost the same distance up also. Do the same thing for all three lines. So go up, where this is going down, same place here also go down to the same extent, and once again go up to the same extent. Now these curves should not be too much, should just be minimum. Yes. Now once this is done, we can actually erase all the original rectangle lines which are straight. So take the eraser and just erase those lines. So in this way we have the basic shape. Now we all know that in the center of the national flag we have the blue color chakra. So to draw that, we can either try freehand, or else you can use anything like a compass or any round object to draw a circle. So here you can mark the circle. Now we need to know that there will be 24 spokes in it. So you will have the center. First you can mark a plus shape. Now in between each of these four quarters we need to have 5 lines. So first you can mark the one in the center, or else you can go and do the same with all the sides, so then you will get like an X mark. And now in between each of these we need to draw 2 lines, 1 and 2. Do the same for all. Now you can draw lightly. Later on when we are doing with blue color, then we can make it darker. Now we need to draw the stick or the pole. So use a ruler and mark these lines. On top we can have a small decoration. You can also make a mild, very small curve over here and show that it is being tied here. So now basically the drawing of our flag is ready. Next thing we need to do is use the oil pastels to color it. You all know the colors: saffron, white and green, and the chakra will be blue. We shall now begin coloring. On top, the color in our national flag is saffron, but in case we do not have saffron with us, we will just take orange and color it neatly. So maintain the same direction while coloring and avoid white spaces. The second layer is white. So we can just lightly do a little bit of white. Alternatively, you can leave it also. After this, the third band in the flag is a specific kind of green. So when I am doing white, I am not doing much here because we have to draw the chakra over there. The other two sides we can do a little bit of white. Now here there is a specific kind of green. In case in our particular oil pastel set they have only provided this particular kind of deep green as well as this light green, both of which aren't the correct colors for this particular band of the flag. In that case we will have to mix these two and make a proper color over here. In case you are having the right color in your set of oil pastels, then you can use it directly, but since we don't here, we are going to mix these two shades to get a better shade as per the color of the flag. So first we are going to do this deep green without pressure. We are going to just give a light coat without much of pressure. On top of it we will be doing light green so that they mix together. Then we will lightly go over it with the tissue paper so that it smoothens out. We now need to fill up the sky with light blue oil pastel. Do not press too dark, just lightly only we can fill up, such that no white spaces are visible. After this, we need to take a small piece of tissue and smoothen the sky part. After this, we can take out our color pencils. For this stick, we will use brown color pencil. Now we need to outline the flag with the brown color pencil. The chakra in the center of the white band, we need to use the dark blue colored pencil to mark all the 24 spokes. We can now say that this national flag is ready.